How to create a public profile on Snapchat. So to create a public profile on Snapchat, now open up your Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat like this, now tap on your, as can see now, your profile like this. After you open your profile like this, now you can now tap on this, as can see now, public profile. After you tap on this public profile, now tap on this edit button. In this edit section, now tap on this edit to add a profile picture. So in this section now, it says camera roll. Here is a picture from my phone. So in this section now, here are picture from my Snapchat. So just go ahead and choose one. So for me, let's say I'll just go ahead and choose this one. I'll use this one. After you select the picture that you want, you can use your hand to resize the picture like this now. You can resize your picture as can see now like this one. After you finish positioning your picture, tap on this confirm button. So now I added my profile picture. So now tap on this section to add bio. You can just go ahead and add in a bio. I'll just type in YouTuber. So in this section now, add in your location. So I'll just go ahead now and add a location, city, and your state, and your country. After you finish adding all this information, all you need to do, just tap on this back arrow again. So in this section now, as you can see, it says show followers count. Tap on this option. So now it will show my followers on my public profile. So now tap on this back. So as you can see now, here is now my public profile. So now to see your public profile, how it will look, so tap on this settings and tap on this preview your profile. So as you can see now if someone view my public profile, here is how it will look in my public profile. That's it guys on how to make a Snapchat public profile or how to create Snapchat public profile. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.